You need 30 milliliters of water, I already put it here, and 70 milliliters of alcohol. Mix it up like that. I think that will do. And you want like thorns or whatever, so you don't have to mess up your hands. And then you just mix it with that stuff. I think I'm gonna put some more alcohol. Let's see if it will work. And I'm gonna use this lighter to light up the money. Alright, now we're ready to take out this money and set it on fire and see what happens. Ooh, perfectly same money. Same thing, a little bit still wet. So we're gonna pour some liquid up in here first. Then we're gonna put this candle up in here in the middle on a plate. Then light the candle. And then we're gonna put a glass on top of a candle. See what happens. I'm gonna blow this candle and light it again, but I'm gonna light it from over here. Let's check it out. What I want you to do is cut the tea bag on top of it, pretty much unfold it and take all the tea out from over there. So and then make something that look like a tube. I don't know if you can see it, but you see it's almost like a tube. Then what you want to do is set it down like this. Get your lighter or matches and just light it up on top of it. See what happens. Here goes. You can make as many rockets as you want. So I'm gonna pour water into my plate. That's probably enough. And then I'm gonna put pepper on top of it. A lot of it. So we can see a lot of it. You see nothing going on. Now let's put a little bit of soap on my finger. You see how it pushes everything? Pretty much pretty cool, simple trick. Just using soap detergent. And you can guys fool some people and they will not understand what happened, how you did it. So we got this balloon, we're gonna blow it up. So we're gonna put balloon on fire and see what happens. Alright, that pop, but what we can do so it will not pop. Let's check it out. Just put your balloon on top of your sink and just fill it up a little bit of water. I think that's enough right here. Let's do a little bit of more and let's take it off. What you wanna do, put some air in it. So we put some air in it too and some water in there too. Candle inside of a bowl in case it does pop. And here you go. Look, it sits right on top of a fire. It's even have black hole thing now. Let's see if it sits longer. You wanna know why it happens? It doesn't blow up, it doesn't pop. Like, let's put it this way. You see it doesn't pop at all. Just the black hole. So pretty much water condense all the heat and balloon doesn't. Today we're gonna need 2 glasses. 1 full glass of water and 1 empty. And the paper towel. So what we're gonna do, get some paper towel, rip it off and then pretty much fold it like this. So once we've done that, all we gotta do is stick it in like that and let's see what happens. Well, anyways, today I'm gonna be working on eggs. And that's a cool trick. Make sure none of your eggs are broken and they are placed the same way. Like kids, you know, the eggs have a butt and like slightly like cornered over here. So make sure they're all the same way. And pretty much I'm ready. Let's do this. So let's see how heavy I am. Alright. I'm 215 pounds. Well, actually, this shows 220 pounds almost. Alright, first step right here. Let's see if it will work. I'm gonna do some support first. And then let go of it. By the way, I'm 230 pounds and I'm standing on eggs right now. Yeah, no hands, you see that? Okay, now I'm gonna step back off. Check this out, none of the eggs are broken. Let's try this again. So this go my first foot, my second foot. And I didn't put too much pressure on one egg. But as you can see, I just messed up one egg because I stepped the wrong way. Anyways, let's settle. Alright, let's light up these candles and I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. What you wanna do is get some vinegar and put some vinegar up in here and then put some baking soda. You see how it's producing gases? Put all that gas in this glass, like invisible water. And check out what can we do with that. Boom! Let's get some more of that. Let's see how the air. Alright, hope you enjoyed this trick. Baking soda and vinegar. Fill some people up with the different glass. You can move the gas into the different glass because the gas producing from baking soda and vinegar is a lot heavier than air. So it stores in the glass and falls down and kills the candle. So now as you can see, I put a small needle in between and tape it on this side and that side. You see this bottom, this connection, and it's always sewn. So now let's stick this thing into the balloon. It's pretty big, but we'll see if we can do it. Fits right on. Pretty awesome balloon, I guess. Alright, still on. Let's go fill up some water. So now we're gonna fill it up some water over here. Still on. It's all good. Now tie it up. Make a knot, I guess. Put it on a plate and leave it in the freezer. So we're almost done. Now we just need to break that water balloon. So that's it. Hope you liked that video and I'll see you next time in videos.